theme of our magazine is Voices of Strength, showing some incredible women personalities of India throughout the year. Women have been an integral part and have made notable contribution in different relevant fields. Pictures on different women personalities of India and different quotes and the beautiful poem on mother and the picture showing the struggles of women throughout her life.
Notable personalities of India are Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Vandana Shiva. She is an Indian scholar and an environmental activist. Lata Mangeshkar. She was referred as Nightingale of India for her voice. Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian woman to go to space in 1997.
Thank you.